Hello guys and welcome to new one. Today's video is kinda short, but I think it would be very useful for some of you. If you ever tried to motovlog or capture video and you wanted to chin mount a GoPro, you know it's sometimes hard to do. Especially if you have an AGV, Pista or any other pointy helmet for that matter. The only way to do it is this. A gazillion knees and bends put together with the same amount of screws. Big and bulky and unpractical setup. If only one bend comes loose, you get a footage that looks like this. On top of that, these kits are in most cases low quality and I have already broken a few parts. Fortunately for all of us, fine folks from Tech Moto made a perfect chin mount for every helmet. Every mount is already designed to follow the curve of the chin part, and all you have to do is to stick it on and you are done. Every mount is helmet specific, but they have almost all helmets known to a man in their inventory. Simple solution for a simple problem. Now all you have to do when you want to capture some video is to pop J mount and press record. The mount itself is a very quality build and should last as long as helmets do. The only flaw, for me at least, is when you mount a GoPro like this, the lens is a little bit off center. It is not a big deal and I'm sure I can live with that. If you're interested in these mounts, the link for all Tech Moto stuff will be in description down below. Thank you for your time and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!